Super weather.
Critical to extreme fire danger concerns with us as we are moving through the day today. We've got red flag warnings in place for everyone here shaded in red. It's all of us here across North Texas, and it runs from 11 o'clock this morning until 9 o'clock tonight. Winds gusting up and over 50 and 60 miles per hour. We've got really low relative humidity in place and dry vegetation. So we want to make sure that we are doing what we can to avoid a spark today, because if a wildfire does develop, it will spread quickly. The wind's going to be a big problem through the day today. We've got a high wind warning for everyone shaded in this mustard color. It does include the Metroplex and areas to our west. Areas to the east included in a wind advisory. Even those locations still seeing gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour through the course of the day. So we could have some power outages here across parts of North Texas through the day. Down trees, also a concern here. And areas of blowing dust, also a concern. So that may lower visibility from time to time as we are moving through today. So something also to keep in mind. These winds are going to be strong throughout most of today. We'll start to see them ramping up as we get towards the midday time period and into the afternoon. That's when they'll be their strongest at 3 o'clock, anticipating winds gusting up and over 50 miles per hour. And some of those wind gusts, as mentioned, could be close to 60 miles per hour, especially west of the Metroplex. The winds as we head into tonight, still pretty strong, but they will start to drop off as we get into the overnight hours. We stay breezy into the first half of the weekend. We do have a good deal of sunshine in place, but again, areas of blowing dust, certainly something we'll be watching out for through the day. Temperatures still pretty warm. We're running well above normal for this time of year, with our high today near 80 degrees. Our typical high temperature this time of year should be in the upper 60s. So 10 to 15 degrees still above that here today, with those strong winds pushing their way into the area. Those winds are out of the south-southwest. Temperatures today mostly sitting in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Futurecast pretty quiet as we are just looking at sunshine, but again, it's the strong winds that will continue to persist through the day and even into tonight. Still going to be quite gusty from time to time. Sustained winds in through the evening hours between 10 and 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts. Temperatures for the weekend not going to be quite as warm. We're back into the 70s both Saturday and Sunday. Still pretty windy into the day on Saturday, but then the winds will start to drop off as we get into the day on Sunday here across the region.
Sign up for super weather.